Large language models are brilliant, but they may not have access to your project data. LLM knowledge is frozen at training time. They may not have the fresh dataset coming in or the private data that is not public. So how do we let them use up-to-date data without retraining? For example, ask them about anything recent and they will guess. LLM might not know what is in your private project repository. For example, company reports, research papers, or policies. Asking the LLM about such non-public information leads to hallucinations, factual errors, and a lack of trust in AI responses. This is where Retrieval Augmented Generation or RAG comes in. RAG acts as a bridge between the LLM and your knowledge base in response to the user-supplied prompt and query. This constitutes the primary workflow of a RAG system with its major components. When the user supplies the prompt and the query, the system retrieves relevant passages from the private database. Next, the system passes the combined information to the LLM. The LLM generates the augmented response that it passes to the user. RAG turns static LLMs into dynamic systems that learn from new data instantly. Nearly every real-world AI assistant today that works in search domain, from enterprise search to legal AI or medical question answering, is powered by RAG. In this LLM workshop, we shall take a no-code approach to demystify and learn the RAG system. I'm Sujoy Kumar Biswas, Head of Research and Innovation at IDEAS Technology Innovation Hub at Indian Statistical Institute, Kolkata. I look forward to meeting you in the workshop.